Understanding Green Investments, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the concept of green investment. This term is becoming increasingly important in our world today, and understanding it can really help you in both your language learning journey and in understanding global economic trends. So, let's dive in. Green investment refers to investing money in projects or companies that are environmentally friendly. These investments are made in activities that are considered to be good for the environment, like renewable energy, sustainable agriculture, and pollution reduction. The key idea here is investment that not only generates financial returns but also creates positive environmental impacts. To make the concept clearer, let's look at some examples. 1. Solar power projects, investing in companies that produce solar panels or solar energy. 2. Electric vehicles, putting money into the development and production of electric cars, which are less polluting than traditional vehicles. 3. Sustainable agriculture, supporting farming practices that protect the environment, like organic farming or permaculture. Green investment is crucial because it supports environmental sustainability. By choosing to invest in eco-friendly projects, investors contribute to the fight against climate change and environmental degradation. It's a way of ensuring that economic growth does not come at the cost of our planet. This idea is becoming a key part of discussions about how to create a sustainable future for all. While green investment is promising, there are challenges. Investors need to be aware of greenwashing, where companies falsely claim to be environmentally friendly to attract investments. It's important to research and verify the true impact of these investments. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has helped clarify what green investment is and why it's important. Remember, understanding such terms not only improves your English skills but also broadens your knowledge of global issues. Keep learning and stay curious. See you in our next video.